We continue example of a matrix, and this is part B of question 10 from the May 2021 CSEC mathematics paper. Now, here goes. What we have is 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2. Now, what we must do is find the determinant of this matrix. Determinant is equal to, you have to remember, if you have A, B, C, D as our matrix, the determinant is multiplying the diagonals, the leading diagonal, multiply the elements in the diagonal. A times D is AD minus the elements in the non-leading diagonal, B times C. That is the determinant. So following that pattern, I want you to pause the video and calculate the determinant of this matrix. Okay, you've done that. So it's 5 times negative 2 minus 4 times negative 3. So what you have is negative 10 plus 12, which is 2. Now generally, when you have the determinant, when you have the inverse of A, B, C, D, the inverse of this is equal to 1 divided by the determinant AD minus BC, as we saw a while ago, multiplied by the adjoint matrix. The shortcut to getting the adjoint matrix is to interchange the leading diagonals. B comes up here and A comes down here. You interchange. See that? Then you change the sign of the elements in the non-leading diagonal. B becomes negative B and C becomes negative C. You interchange A and D, change the sign of B and C. Let us apply that to what we have. 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2. 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2. Now, the inverse of this is what? It's going to be 1 divided by 2. I had said AD minus BC. I realized that it should be D. AD minus BC. So we have 5 by negative 2 minus 4 by negative 3. We get positive 2 for that answer. The determinant of the matrix is 2. So we will have 1 over 2 is 1 divided by 2 multiplied by, interchange the leading diagonal elements at 5 and negative 2. So negative 2 comes up here and 5 comes down here. Change the sign of B and C. Positive 4 becomes negative 4. Negative 3 is really negative 3, but that is really a positive 3. So you write positive 3 here. Now, what you have When you multiply a number by a matrix, each element in the matrix is multiplied by that number. So it's half times negative 2, half times negative 4, half times 3, half times 5. That is what you have. Half times negative 2 is negative 1. Half times negative 4 is negative 2. Half times 3 is 3 halves. Half times 5 is 5 halves. You see that? So that is the inverse of the matrix. In exam, you don't have the time to test it. But in this video, we have the time to test whether this is really the inverse. When you multiply the inverse of a matrix by the matrix, you will get the unit matrix. So 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2. 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2 will be multiplied by negative 1, negative 2, 3 over 2, 5 over 2. If we don't get the unit matrix, then we have made a mistake and need to recheck our steps. 5 by negative 1, that is negative 5. 4 by 3 over 2, so it's plus, negative 5 plus 4 by 3 over 2. That's going to be 12 over 2. 5 by negative 2, negative 10. 4 by 5 over 2 is plus 20 over 2. I hope you're seeing. Row 1 times column 1. First element in row 1 times first element in column 1. Negative 5. Second element in row 1 times second element in column 1. That gives us negative 12 over 2. Next is going to be the element for row 1, for row 2, column 1. First element in row 2 times first element in column 1. That will give you positive 3 plus second in row 2 times second in column 1. That is negative 2 times 3 over 2. Negative 2 times 3 over 2. Next, row 2 by column 2. Because what you put here is in row 2 and column 2. You see that? So, first in row 2 by first in column 2. That is negative 3 by negative 2, positive 6, plus second in row 2 by second in column 2, negative 2 by negative 5 over 2. That's negative 2 times negative 5 over 2. That will give us what? Positive, negative 2 by positive 5 over 2. That's negative 10 over 2. Alright. Now, let us see what we get. Remember, we're supposed to get the unit matrix. Negative 5 plus 12 over 2 is negative 5 plus 6. Negative 10 plus 20 over 2 is negative 10 plus 10. Negative positive 3 plus 2 by 2 would cancel 2, so it's 3 minus 3, because 2 is a negative. So negative times a positive times negative gives you a negative, negative 3. So it's 3 minus 3 there. This is 6 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. That's 6 minus 5. So here, what we get is negative 5 plus 6 is 1, negative 10 plus 10 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 minus 5 is 1. So that is the unit matrix. So the negative 1, negative 2, 3 over 2 and 5 over 2 is indeed the inverse of 5, 4, negative 3, negative 2. So that is what we have there.